When your hat arrives, if it's a little bit too big, we provide a solution, which is spacers. With cloth sweatbands, we provide these polyfelt spacers, and with leather sweats, we provide these cork spacers. I'm going to show you how to put these in. So what you're going to do is flip your hat over, and you're going to flip up the sweatband, and you're going to take your spacer. You're going to put this right here where the hat meets the sweatband. You don't have to turn your hat like this. I personally find it easier to do it this way, but it's not essential. So you're just going to get that in there, and then you're going to flip your sweatband down. You're going to try your hat on again, and if at this point it fits, great. If it is still too big, you're going to flip your sweatband up again. You're going to take your second spacer, you're going to line them up, and then you're going to insert these just like you did with the single piece. It can be a little bit more fiddly when there are two pieces because they have a tendency to get out of alignment, as you can see. So what I like to do is I'll start flipping the sweatband down a little bit as I go so that it stays. That last bit in there, and there you have it. Okay, now if after the first piece it's too tight, what you can do is cut the spacer down. So this is one that I cut in half, and you can just take one of these pieces, put it in the hat, and if you need a little bit more, you can cut this one and put some more in there. It's tight enough, but you're having gapping at the sides or just at the front and back. What you can do with these half pieces is fold them in half again and put it on the side, on one side, and then on the other. And if it's front and back, you just do the front and back rather than the sides. So if you have a leather sweatband, you're going to do the same thing, flip up the sweat. And with these cork ones, they're curved, and you want the top of the curve to go right in here at the seam between the sweatband and the hat. These are thicker, which is why you get two smaller pieces. Okay, and then again, you can do them on the sides if that gives you a better fit. You can do just one, you can break them down, whatever makes it make the most sense for you is what you should do.